Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT in Trustwallet. Let's begin. So first things first, make sure you're successfully logged into your Trustwallet and it's up just like what I have now. And then what you need to remember is that you cannot directly sell USDT from your Trustwallet. However, you can do this by connecting to a cryptocurrency exchange site such as Binance or Coinbase, and it's easy to actually sell your USDT. So let's begin. First, I need to go and look for my USD because they have a long list of tokens in here. So what I will do is just search that as my shortcut. Yeah. And then once I have it, click on send because you need to send this to your, chosen exchange site. In my case, I have Binance. And then that's my wallet address. So say, for example, I just want to sell, for example, $100 USDT. And when I hit continue, it would ask you certain information such as, your password, security infos, just to make sure that your transfer is secured. Once that's done, you go to your Binance. So in my case, I will go to my spot wallet. Provided that the transfer has been successful, then just need to search for USDT, and for you to withdraw or sell, this is how you're gonna do it. So there are ways for you to sell your USDT. You either do this route and then you withdraw fiat. There's a way for you to withdraw in USD, and then your bank account is basically set up, or your credit card, or e-wallet. So it depends on what the system or where you are located. In this case, if I want to sell my USDT and then want to have it as bank transfer, and then I can actually do this one. And after hitting continue, it would ask me for additional information just to make sure that the selling is secured. Or you can also do this via P2P, guys, wherein you could sell your USDT to other traders. And if you want to learn more about P2P, we do have other video tutorials for that one. Just subscribe to our channel so you learn more about cryptocurrency. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.